How to fix Python not found in Visual Studio Code. So if you're trying to run a Python script from Visual Studio Code and you're having errors, here's how to fix it. First, you will need to check if you have Python installed by right-clicking on the Start button and then open up CMD or PowerShell or whatever. And then you will need to type the following command, which is Python space -- version. And now if you see something output like this, which says Python and the version, that means it's properly installed in your system. And if you're having an error which says unrecognized command or something like that, that means Python is not installed. You will need to open up your browser and then you will need to search for Python. Now click on the first link, which is python.org. Now go to the download section and click on your platform. So for example, Windows for me. Now scroll down and download a stable release. So this is the latest release right here. You will need to download the installer for your appropriate Windows version. And once it's downloaded, you will simply need to run the installer and then just simply follow the steps to install Python, or repair it if you have it already and it's not functioning properly. Now once this is done, you can basically close the installer, and next you will need to assign environment variables by clicking on the start menu and searching for environment, and then click on edit the system environment variables and then click environment variables. From here, double click on the path entry, and then inside the path entry you will need to add another new entry. So by clicking the new right here, and then you will need to paste the Python path, which you can find by clicking on the start button and then searching for Python. Right click on Python and then open file location. Now when you see it something like this inside the start menu, it's not the actual path of Python. Right click on it again and then click on open file location. Now from here you will need to copy this path and then you will need to paste it inside the edit or the new entry that we've created by clicking or holding Ctrl+V to paste it and then press OK. Now it should be added to the path variables. And once that is done, you will need to click on edit again and add another entry with the same path, but just add to it / and then scripts and then / again, which is like this, and then press OK to add the entry. But as you can see, I have them already right here on the top, so I'm gonna remove these ones I added right now. Make sure you only have one of each, no duplicates. And then press OK, then press OK again, and then you will need to restart your system for this to take effect. Now if you open up your Visual Studio Code after restarting your computer, and if you try to run your script by pressing this run button right here, you should be able to see that the script is working and it's printing the code right here. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.